Hello guys, RiderTech here. Today we are going to talk about what it's like to ride at night this bike. Well guys, let's see if we do this video at the third try. So the first try, too much wind and we got an accident in the highway, so no dice. Second try, I put my microphone on the helmet, so no dice. Let's try here now. So let's see if I can remember my points. First of all, the most important thing at night is to see and to be seen. And since I have a yellow bike, a bright yellow bike, I have no problems with the being seen. It's the seen part that's important. And I got to tell you guys, this bike has awesome headlights, and it also has curving lights. You can see that you have a focus from one light to the other when I tip it over like this. It's not very noticeable because there's light over here, but it spreads the light in the direction you are going, so it's very nice. It's not a normal feature, and you get it's not a normal feature, and you get battery illumination. This bike has all LED, all illumination is LED, and it's very bright, so there's no problem for you guys to ride with this bike at night. With the CB, I had problems with the lights. It would not spread the lights like this. If you notice, we have a pretty much good spread. As soon as I have no one in front of me, I will well, I was going to say I will show you the high beams, but as a drinking game, you just saw the high beams because I just switch it on, because you just flick it to the front and you have high beams. So basically that's it. So that's it for illumination. What do you need to take into account besides that? And I hope you guys can hear me because there's a lot of wind. Well, you guys need to take into account one thing. It's night, the road is cold, the wind is cold, the tires will take longer to get to temperature. So be very careful when riding at night, because you can get yourself caught really fast if you don't take this into account. For example, my tires are pretty much cold, but they are very good. So, and I'm not doing anything crazy. But remember guys, cold tires are a bitch. Remember, don't push on cold tires. And those are the main concerns that you should take into account when riding at night. Just get Also some clothes, because at night it's colder. Uh, Basically some liners, something a little bit hotter, and you will be fine. At the moment, I'm actually with a leather and ventilated leather, and it's a little bit nippy, but no problem. Fellow riders, ADV guys, from Spain, nuestros hermanos. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see ya.